NightCafe is an artificial intelligence-powered platform that lets users build high-quality 3D models and visualizations from 2D pictures. NVIDIA created the tool, which is built on deep learning algorithms that can predict and construct 3D representations of scenes and objects from 2D photos. Users may upload a 2D photograph, and NightCafe will utilize AI algorithms to create a 3D model of the scene that can be explored and seen from all perspectives. Users may also change the lighting, shadows, and textures of the 3D model, giving them greater creative control over the final result. NightCafe is especially beneficial for artists, designers, and architects who need to rapidly and effectively generate 3D models of real-world items or settings. The software may also be used to create virtual reality settings, video game components, and other applications requiring realistic 3D models. How NightCafe works. NightCafe is built on deep learning algorithms that anticipate and produce 3D models from 2D pictures. The application employs a neural network that has been trained on a huge dataset of 2D photos and their matching 3D models. Throughout the training phase, the neural network learns to recognize patterns and correlations between 2D pictures and their 3D equivalents. This enables it to generate accurate predictions about the structure and shape of the 3D model that corresponds to a given 2D picture. When a user enters a 2D image into NightCafe, the neural network uses the patterns and correlations it learnt during training to produce a 3D representation of the scene. The generated 3D model is then shown in the NightCafe interface, where the user may adjust the lighting, shadows, and textures to obtain the desired visual impact. NightCafe's deep learning algorithms are especially powerful since they can produce 3D models from 2D photographs without the need for extensive mathematical modeling or user input. This makes the tool considerably quicker and more efficient than standard 3D modeling software, which may take hours and requires specific expertise to use properly. NightCafe includes numerous tools for modifying the lighting, shadows, and texturing of 3D models created from 2D photos. These capabilities provide customers greater creative control over the final result and enable them to generate a variety of visual effects. Lighting. NightCafe users may change the lighting of the 3D model, including the strength, direction, and color of the light sources. This may be utilized to provide more dramatic or stylistic effects or to establish realistic lighting conditions for the scene. Shadows. Users may also change the softness, sharpness, and location of the shadows in the 3D model. This may be used to produce more realistic shadows that precisely represent the illumination in the scene. Textures. NightCafe provides a number of texture options for the 3D model, including materials such as wood, metal, and concrete. Users can also import their own textures to create personalized effects. Camera controls. NightCafe has a variety of camera options that enable users to explore and study the 3D model from various perspectives. This includes the ability to pan, zoom, rotate, and modify the field of view and aspect ratio. NightCafe generates 3D models from 2D photographs using powerful deep learning algorithms in a simple and basic method. Import the 2D image. Importing a 2D image of the scene you wish to model is the first step in building a 3D model with NightCafe. This picture can be a photograph or a painting that contains enough visual detail for NightCafe's deep learning algorithms to produce a 3D model. Create the 3D model. After importing the 2D image, NightCafe's deep learning algorithms evaluate it and create a 3D model of the scene. This method is completely automated and requires no user participation. Customize the 3D model. once the 3D model has been built, users may change it in a variety of ways utilizing NightCafe's user-friendly interface. This includes altering the model's lighting, shadows, and texturing, as well as experimenting with various camera angles and viewpoints. Export the 3D model. Once the 3D model is complete, users may export it in a number of file formats, including OBJ, STL, and FBX. These files may then be imported into other software packages or used in a variety of applications ranging from virtual reality experiences to video game production. NightCafe versus traditional 3D modeling tools. Easy to use, NightCafe's interface is straightforward and user-friendly, making it simple to use for designers and artists of all levels of expertise. This enables users to rapidly learn how to use the program and begin generating 3D models. No prior 3D modeling expertise is required, since NightCafe does not require any prior 3D modeling experience. It is accessible to a broader spectrum of consumers. This implies that artists and designers who are unfamiliar with standard 3D modeling tools may still use NightCafe to generate high-quality 3D models. Realistic lighting and textures. NightCafe's lighting and texture alteration tools enable users to build incredibly realistic 3D models with correct lighting and shadows. This can be tough to create with typical 3D modeling tools, which sometimes need greater technical knowledge. Faster iteration and prototyping. NightCafe's automated method allows for faster iteration and prototyping, which is especially valuable in the early phases of a project. This allows designers and artists to experiment with new ideas and swiftly test out numerous design approaches. NightCafe is a powerful AI-powered design tool that offers a range of benefits to designers, including time saving. NightCafe can save designers a significant amount of time during the design process. Because of its capacity to generate distinctive graphics quickly and efficiently, designers may spend more time refining and iterating on their designs rather than starting from scratch. Inspiration. NightCafe can be a source of inspiration for designers who are caught in a creative rut. NightCafe can assist designers in thinking outside the box and coming up with new and intriguing ideas by generating a variety of distinctive and unexpected graphics. Customizability. NightCafe's designs are fully configurable, allowing designers to modify components such as color schemes, text, and artwork to match their individual demands. Its adaptability enables designers to build designs that are specifically fitted to their tasks. Cost-effective. NightCafe can be a cost-effective choice for designers who do not have the funding for a full design team or expensive design software. NightCafe's low-cost subscription tiers make it accessible to designers of all budgets. NightCafe, as an AI-powered design tool, provides designers with a variety of strong features and benefits that can assist streamline the creative process and develop unique, eye-catching designs. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, I strongly advise you to test NightCafe and play with its features. One of the most fascinating aspects of NightCafe is its capacity to develop unique designs quickly and effortlessly. NightCafe can generate dozens of aesthetically attractive designs based on a few keywords or project specifications, offering you a wide choice of possibilities to pick from. Furthermore, NightCafe's designs are completely adaptable, allowing you to change features like color schemes, text, and graphics to meet your exact requirements. Its adaptability guarantees that your designs are adapted specifically to your project and stand out from the crowd. Likewise, NightCafe is open to designers of all skill levels. Its simple interface and features make it simple to create high-quality designs, even if you're new to the profession. Finally, NightCafe is affordable, making it a viable option for designers who do not have the funds to invest in pricey design software or a full design team. Consequently, NightCafe is a powerful tool that provides numerous advantages to designers. Thus I recommend you to give it a shot and play around with its features. You might be astonished by the unique and amazing designs NightCafe allows you to make. These are some features of NightCafe, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Creative's YouTube channel.